I'm going to show everybody how I operate the diesel heater in my Volkswagen. Now I have a 5 kilowatt heater, but don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You can use almost any controller with these. So I bought the more simplified controller. You just turn it on and adjust the power. So anyways, my heater is hooked directly up to the battery because when I get home, I have to let this heater cool off. And then I come back out and I shut the switch off. Even if I don't, there's hardly any draw when it shuts down. And I have a cigarette lighter style cell phone charger with a voltage meter, so I can tell what kind of voltage I have when I first turn it on. Well, anyways, this is all lit up. So you just hit the start button. And I don't know if you can hear the fan, but it's turning. So we'll come out here. And here's my heater. The glow plug is lighting up. And as soon as that glow plug gets to the right temperature, you start to hear a tick, tick, tick. And that's the fuel pump. Well, anyways, I have my heater set up so I have cold air inlet that comes in from the cabin. It reheats cabin air and then sends it back. But I also run it up to this old Southwind heater blower. It's a defrost blower. I bought it on eBay as new old stock. It was made in 1947. And then that has a runner out to each one of my defrosters. So I got excellent defrosters as well as heat. Man, this thing will run you out of it. So anyways, we're wait for the startup procedure. And you'll tell when it lights off because it really speeds up. It's almost like a jet engine starting up. Okay, starting to kick on. And here it's starting to speed up. Starting to light off. I don't know if you can hear that whooshing noise, but it's lit. Now it's going to start sending heat up through this pipe into the car. I'll let it run 3 or 4 minutes and then we'll go for a drive. It takes about 5 minutes for it to heat up. Okay, when I get back, I'll be in the car. Okay, I got everything going and she's putting out some good heat, so I'll get in the car. Now, even without the blower motor on, I get a little bit of air through my defrosters anyway. But I've got a rotary switch in here. And man, I'll tell you, this is sure nice. It puts out a lot of air. So anyways, that is how the diesel heater in my Volkswagen starts up and operates. And I have better heat than this thing probably had when it come out of the factory. Man, I love it.